If you're dealing with yellow leaves on your Areca palm, first you need to understand that Areca palm is a tropical plant. In nature, it grows in bright, filtered light, sandy, well-draining soil, and warm, humid air. So when we grow it indoors, any imbalance in these three things, light, water, or nutrients, shows up as yellow leaves. Let's break this down clearly. The most common reason, too much water. If the lower leaves are turning yellow first and the soil feels wet for many days, you're likely overwatering. Scientifically, roots need oxygen to function. When soil stays soggy, oxygen levels drop, roots start suffocating, and chlorophyll production reduces. Less chlorophyll means less green color. So leaves turn yellow. To fix this situation, water your Areca palm when the top 30 to 40% of the soil has dried. Not completely dry, not constantly wet. The roots need oxygen as much as water. Make sure drainage holes are working well, not blocked. Use a light soil mix. You can mix sand or perlite in your potting mix. If problem is severe, if roots are already rotting, you may need to trim dead roots, then spray with 3% hydrogen peroxide and then repot in fresh draining soil. Next thing we're going to talk about is lack of water. If leaves look pale yellow, dry and crispy, especially from the tips, your plant is too dry. Areca palm have thin, fibrous roots. When they don't get enough moisture, the plant sacrifices all the leaves to conserve energy. If this is the case, this is what you should do. Keep soil slightly moist, not bone dry. In summer, increase watering frequency. Mist occasionally if air is very dry. Balance is key, not too wet, not too dry. Nutrient deficiency, especially nitrogen and magnesium. Yellowing that looks uniform across the leaf often means nutrient deficiency. Nitrogen helps in chlorophyll production. Magnesium is essential for maintaining the green pigment. Without them, leaves lose color. In this situation, use a balanced liquid fertilizer once every 20 to 30 days in the growing season. You can add a small amount of Epsom salt in water once in 2 months. But don't over-fertilize. It can create salt buildup that can burn roots and cause even more yellowing. Too much direct sunlight. Areca palm loves bright light but indirect. If leaves facing the window are yellow with slight burning or fading, strong direct sunlight is damaging leaf tissue. Inside the leaf, excess light damages cells. The plant cannot process that much light energy, so tissues degrade. Let's see how to deal with this. Place near a bright window with curtain filtered light. Avoid harsh afternoon sun. Morning direct sun is fine but not afternoon. Natural aging. If only one or two bottom fronds are yellow while new growth looks healthy, then it's normal. Areca palms regularly shed old leaves to focus energy on new ones. Just trim the fully yellow leaf from the base. Also check your water quality. If noticing brown tips, as I always told you, hard water with excess salts can slowly cause yellowing and brown tips. If possible, use filtered or rainwater. So when you're facing yellow leaves, observe the plant carefully. Is the soil too wet, too dry, too much sun, or lacking nutrients? Your plant is simply responding to its environment. Areca palm is resilient. Once you correct the cause, new growth will come out fresh green. If you have any doubt, drop your comment and I will reply for sure. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.